Ever wished you could build your own AI chatbot without knowing how to code? Today, we're diving into Retell AI. It's a platform packed with potential for creating custom AI chatbots. Step 1 is all about understanding the landscape. Retell AI uses cutting-edge natural language processing, often shortened to NLP, so your chatbot can understand and respond naturally. This means your chatbot can have interactive conversations with users. Once you've got a handle on that, building the dialogue is key. Retell AI aids with dialogue management. You can design the flow of your chatbot conversations, defining how it greets users and how it responds to their inquiries. You can even define your chatbot's persona and give it a name so it's unique to your business. Retell AI isn't limited to a single avenue. Think about integrating your chatbot on various channels: website, Facebook Messenger, even voice calls. This means your chatbot can connect with customers wherever they are. This opens up numerous opportunities to build conversational agents, whether it's for customer service, getting more leads, or handling other kinds of automated interaction. So, that's the gist. Retell AI offers a seamless pathway to crafting engaging conversational bots, and you don't need years of coding experience. Now go out there and build something awesome.